pull off the panel, hook up the battery every single time. There's gotta be a better way. You know, there is an easier way. You mean there's an easier way? Yes, I actually do get upset when I'm done plowing snow and I gotta take off the panel to hook up the battery. So today, we're gonna be installing the NOCO GC002. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, stay tuned and enjoy. So I don't know if this is the case for everyone, but when I go out and plow snow and I finish, I always plug in the battery, always. When you're out plowing, you're constantly lifting the plow blade, you're using that winch, it draws down the battery. If you have the lights on, that'll drain the battery. So, and then plus it's sitting in a cold garage, always plug it in, let it charge back up. Otherwise you'll go to start it next time and it might not start. So that's why I picked up the NOCO GC002, and that's going to solve this problem. So we'll attach it right to the battery, we'll run it out through the front, and then that way you can literally just plug right into it. So let's get to it. Let's take a look at what we're working with and get it installed. Okay, so pretty simple. It literally is one wire. It's got your two connectors, positive and negative. Comes with a fuse built into it, and that's your connector end. The one important thing to keep in mind about this is that you gotta have one of their chargers. So it has a certain connection. I have the NOCO Genius 5, and yeah, that just goes right on there. So what we'll do, we're gonna run this through the plastic on the front first, and then we'll connect these two terminals to the battery, and then literally that's it. This will just hang out the front, and when you come in, you literally just plug it into the charger. No more taking the panel off and putting the clips on the battery. So simplifies the whole process. So in taking a look at the front here, I think the best spot to run it is through this this space here. This goes right into the compartment, the engine compartment. So I don't know if you can see this, you probably can't see it, but there's a gap. And don't mind my cracked and loose plastic, I gotta like replace that piece. So I got those ends through. So now I'm gonna disconnect the battery. I guess I technically didn't have to disconnect that like that, but okay, so we had a bit of an issue there. I dropped a little, I don't know if you can see it here, little, I don't know what you call that, a ninja star or something on the nut. I dropped it down between the battery. Anyways, I had to pull the rack off and this off and the battery out to get at it, so we're good to go. We're good to go now. Okay, so there's a bit of a close-up. So I brought the wiring harness in here, and I've got the negative, and then the red's just going up and over the battery holder, and then it comes out. It literally, I don't know if you can see, basically comes out through a small gap in the front there. So it's all wired up. So now we're putting the panel on, hopefully for the last time. Unless there's an issue with the battery or something, then I might have to remove it, but it's going on for the last time. Okay, so now I'm just going to plug it in just to test it out, make sure the connection is good. Seems to be working. It's detecting a battery, so I think we're good. Good to go. So there you have it, folks. That's how you install the NOCO GC002. So if you have the same issue, you know, pulling off the panel to hook up the charger to your battery, go out and pick one of these up. It'll make your life a lot easier. Anyways, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe down below if you haven't already. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Thank you.